Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be cleaning my PS4. It's really dirty. If you have a weak stomach, maybe skip this video because there are a lot of bugs, like a shameful amount of bugs in there, and like you just have to see it. So enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, have a good day. Cleaning the PS4 in 2025.
Fuck, this is hard.
Oh. What happened?
No. I was writing it, but I don't know.
My baby.
I need light. Where the fuck? There's this thing right here.
Yeah, it's like for the other side.
Like, look, you see a little like bump on this piece of plastic here?
No.
Okay. But like, you can see that it can. Yeah, I see it. It's like from here to like the end of the fan.
Yeah, it's like with the other side.
Yeah, I'll show you actually. It's this.
I know. I saw it. Oh my! Yo, those are roaches. Wait. Can I show that on YouTube? Can I show that on YouTube? Wait, look over here.
Yo.
Wait, this is disgusting. No, hold on. I'm about to gag. I'm gagging. Look right here.
No, look at this.
A whole family. Oh my. Wait, I'm exposed.
Yo.
This is disgusting.
I don't want to touch that. I do not want to touch that. At least everything else is like sort of clean. The fan is good.
Wow, the fan is clean. Show that. The fan is clean.
Oh god.
Over here. Shine light.
Jumpstart the PS5.
Yo.
Ugh, the crunches.
But there's a whole one just stuck in here. Bro, this is bad. Look at this. Not even a whole one. It's like a wing.
What the fuck?
So we're trying to clean it and a bunch of these just fell out. Duh.
Shake it.
Shake it. I do it.
I don't know.
A little more. God, how disgusting. You must perish. Nasty. You can just Google this.
Wait, he doesn't even open this.
But just follow the one that we've been doing.
Alright. What is it?
Alright. So we managed. This is how far we got. Wait, turn around. Honestly, not too bad. Except for that corner.
Look at that fucking corner. Oh my god. That's where the fan is, I think.
Not again, bro.
Yeah, that's where the fan is. It's just dust, though.
No, over here. Literally everywhere else.
What is this? Shit. I got you.
Oh, no. It's working now.
Oh.
Oh. Alright, so got like 10 more.
I feel like we need that air thing for the fan.
No, we could do it another way. What are you talking?
Is this French slipper?
I don't think that.
Thank God.
Yeah, we don't want to hear. Sorry. Okay, I'm recording.
Oh shit.
Is that it? All right, so my heart's racing right now. Tweezers.
Tweezers. Take it out. Okay.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You do it. Alright, my hands shake.
Hold on.
It's not the entire long way.
The other way?
Yeah.
How though? Like that? Okay.
See?
Yeah. Maybe you just hold this.
Okay.
Make sure you get a good shot. Like this, right?
No, it's the long way.
This way?
Yeah. To grab everything together.
Maybe like this.
Maybe.
It's not working.
Do you have any like bigger or stronger ones?
Probably. Oh, I'm touching my fingers. So he does it like that. The dog.
Like that just...
Alright, low-key don't want to do this anymore. But I cleaned the fan a little bit. That's how much dust came out so far. I still want to clean, like, you know, each blade. Bro, this is so bad. But anyway, I'm still trying to take this out. So, alright, I'm giving up. I high-key just want to play, to be honest. But it was a fun little experience. Sorry, I've just been doing stuff, so I just cut in between. I There we go, bro.
No, just locked into the back. See? Just locks in the back. See, because there's a little latch right here. See?
Yeah.
Oh, that's for the power button. Where's the power button?
This is the back.
What the
I'm so... No, this is the front.
It's the back first, like this.
Yep.
And then...
A little bit more this way.
Right.
There we go.
There it
There
is.
we go. I love those clicks.
What?
I think it needs to connect to the back, that's why.
Oh, okay.
And then that
The
one.
screws. The screws for this.
Oh,
this
yeah.
one and this.
Apologies, sir. Wait. Oh my gosh, bro.
What?
I thought I lost the other one because I turned this thing around. It only shows one. It's fucking connected to the tape.
Oh my god.
We're on the last step. Then we're gonna get on.
And get off immediately.
Let me see, bro.
No, okay.
The back is pretty much connected.
I just do it like that.
Yep, get on.
Because of this thing, huh? Because of this.
What the hell? Wait. They just push it in.
Because if we do it like this, right?
Yeah, it says to do it like that, like sort of like that.
But then it hits the fucking thing over here.
One sec.
Final two.
Oh yeah. So it's not finished, don't I? Nothing to smile about.
Nothing smiling about.
Job ain't finished. Might go, bro.
Oh.
Well, it doesn't work.
Alright, we're good.
Here. Wait, there's roaches on my feet.
Tiny roaches.
The one that fell and it literally just floated down.
There we go.
Wait.
Some of this. No, I got some trash and shit. Brand new shit. Twilight, we're black.
We gotta hurry, the Super Bowl starts soon. Alright. I'm very scared.
Yeah, I'm also scared.
He told me to try it with a controller. Wait. Turn on the TV.
Please turn on. Oh! It turns on.
Wait, why does it look worse than before?
Yo, it turns on.
Now we're gonna try it.
Leave it on for an hour, see if it doesn't turn off.
Alright guys, this is the outro for the video. As you can tell, the PS4, it honestly does sound a lot better. I mean, it does sound pretty loud, but like, to me, I know it's better. I wish I recorded a video of how it sounded before, but I definitely recommend that you clean it, even though I didn't clean it all the way. And yeah. So, hope you have a good day. Sorry, I'm playing right now. I hope you have a good day, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, thank you. Bye.